We will start lesson now. Okay. Okay, so we can start now. Question number 1, our monitor Jia Hui. Let's give answer. A very good, Jia Hui, because very simple, right? Okay. Okay, I share screen whole screen because I prefer share whole screen. Okay. Okay, can. Now, okay, we can go. For Jia Hui, question number 1, too simple, right, Jia Hui? So, hydrocarbon double means unsaturated. Unsaturated means they got double bond between carbons. So, definitely is answer A lah, propene. Okay, so question 2, I want all of you give opinion. The answer asking petroleum cracking process. Anyone heard this process before? So, I give you choice. Question 2, what is correct about the cracking process? So which one do you think is A or C only? I give you choose A or C. Question 2, A or C? Okay, can show me your answer. Hurry up. Okay, so 1 minute. You just give me A or C. Jia Hui says C. Okay, who else? Alvin, how are you? So what's your answer? Cracking process. Have you heard this process before? Petroleum cracking process.
The
Alvin?
one yesterday, Mr. Lai share one, right? All the different
Okay,
levels of the
good. So
burning.
you remember this diagram is the crude oil process diagram, right? Then I show you again. Alvin, you mean this one? Crude oil?
Yes.
Okay, so what's your answer? Okay, so you choose A or C?
A.
Okay, you choose A because they are using different temperature, right, to produce the product, right? Okay, Alvin say A. Al is aluminium. Hey, Jia Hui say C. Other Samantha, how are you? What do you think? Cracking process of petroleum. Which one is correct? Li Yi, Natasha, Samantha. Okay. So you give me your opinion. Let me see first. Teacher want to know what's your opinion. Samantha also agree with our aluminium. Alvin, you got supporter. Lee also support Alvin answer. Okay, how about Nuru? Nuru, can you sign in attendance, Nuru? And we have one more friend, right? Friend is Pan Yishan. Oh, I am Faiz. Oh, you are Faiz. Okay, okay. Faiz, I call you Faiz. I call you Faiz. So you write down your name, Faiz. Okay, how can your nickname become Pan Yishan? Pan Yishan is Faiz. You are Faiz. Okay, so you write down your name. Okay, Pan Yishan look like a girl name. So actually, you are guys. Pan Faiz. Okay, okay. Confused. I confused. Later, maybe you show me your face. Okay. How about Nuru? Nuru, Nuru in or out? Okay, hurry up. Haven't give me answer one. The hurry up. Natasha give answer already. Natasha. Okay, Natasha also choose A. Natasha. Very good. So how about Faiz? Faiz, what's your answer, Faiz? Right, attendance, Faiz. See? Those who haven't get notes, you can download, hurry up, you go and download. Because later I move the slide already, you cannot see. Okay, all choose A, only our Pan Jiahui alone, so not only Jiahui can open mic. Jiahui, why you so special? Why you want to choose different from other? Jiahui got. Yeah, welcome Alisa. Alisa, 你来的真好。Alisa, come. Alisa, my question to ask you. Alisa, which one do you think correct? Cracking process of petroleum. A, separation based on the different boiling point. C, catalyst, using catalyst. Alisa, what do you think? Which one answer? A or C, Alisa? Lisa choose A also. What? So many people support A. Jiahui, now your turn. Jiahui can open mic. Jiahui. Okay, Jiahui. Jiahui here. You give teacher response. You listen now. No mic today. So pity lah. Where is your mic? Yeah, Jiahui cannot listen your voice. Okay, Jiahui, why you so special? People all choose A. Why you want different? Why? Why you don't want follow majority? Cracking process is like Alvin say lah. Yesterday we say this one ma. We are doing the process of the crude oil to produce a petroleum product, right? So Jiahui, how can you say it's boil? Why? Can you tell us the reason? Tell reason. Choose C. Okay. Yes, we have Muhammad Shafi. Welcome, Shafi. Welcome, Shafi. Today so many good students, top student come, very geng chao student. So, cracking process didn't use catalyze me. Yes, you see, Jiahui is not so happy already, angry already. Shafi, now I want to listen your opinion. Shafi, which answer you choose? Shafi, hi, can open mic. So we are discussing about question number 2. Shafi, can hear? Okay, you see our friend Jiahui so angry already. Nobody cite her. Jiahui, you see Shafiq, here Shafiq.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Shafiq, you open mic up. Then, hurry up. You give me answer. Petroleum cracking process. We can say which one is correct. Separation based on the different boiling point or using catalyst. Which one is correct? Petroleum cracking process. Using catalyst. A. So Shafiq against. So nobody side to the Pan Jiahui. Pan Jiahui, I can only say Pan Jiahui, you are so excellent. Okay. Pan Jiahui is the one correct. Okay. You all know why. Alvin, I want to listen your voice. Use catalyst. Okay. Alvin here. Okay. Why A cannot accept? See, Jiahui very confident. Catalyst.
AC, not A.
Okay, you see, actually, I'm purposely to make you confused because yesterday diagram make you think the crude oil process is a cracking process. Actually, the crude oil process is a fractional distillation. There is another process, okay, not equal to cracking. Remember, so now all you're gonna track, you see. I'm so happy you're all gonna track. So cracking petroleum is a different process with the fractional distillation. Fractional distillation, yes, Alvin, you are right. Using the different boiling point to get different product of the petroleum, you are right. But today we are not talking about fractional distillation. Can see? We are talking about cracking. So fractional is here. Fractional, you are right. Separation of compound through what? According to what? Through the what process? That's how we say. Alvin. This, here,
through distillation process.
according to their different boiling
Points.
So you see, this is a very deadly trap. You see how many of you gonna trap? Pan Jiahui only one. I'm so happy with Pan Jiahui performed. So if I want to define cracking, it's a breaking down of what molecule into what molecule. From a big molecule to the what molecule. Cracking means from larger molecule go to what molecule. Yes, you're right, Alvin. So smaller. So you see, be careful. Two different processes. Even though both are using petroleum as a raw material, but they are different. So remember, be careful. Samenda also kena Samenda. So catalyzing cracking. So I already said catalyzing means they are using catalyst. You see? So they are using 550 Celsius, and the catalyst use what name? Start with Z. Anyone know? Z. Zeolite, have you heard before? And the content is what element inside? Aluminium oxide. So must remember, maybe can ask you cracking process got inside our syllabus one. Okay, so the product, the catalyst name zeolite because inside got aluminum oxide and the silicon oxide. So be careful. Thank you, Jiahui. Jiahui, now you're happy already. Okay, so you're the only one correct. Even though whole world didn't side with you. Okay, so how about question number 3? Alkyne is what? Alkyne is considered what carbon? With what bond? Alkyne, in between carbon, there are what bond inside? 5. So your answer, Alvin, how's your answer? Number 4. We have to go Korea. Very good. 5. Okay, general formula is 2n minus 2 because when we have 2n, it will become C2, which 2 times 2, 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. So equal to like this. This is the alkyne with triple bond. Be careful. So the N must start with how many? 5. The N start with 1 or 2 or 0. This one has to be careful. The general formula cannot wrong. The N start with 0, 1 or 2. Which one start with? For the alkane and alkyne, we can only start the carbon with where 5, Y2. Yes, 2. Very good. Because you cannot have 1 carbon. Well done, 5. Well done. 5, you are good. Show your chemistry score well. What is your latest result? Chemistry. Okay, number 4, Alvin. Alvin will give me answer B for you. So, Alvin, very good. So, Alvin, can you count for us? What is the percentage you get? And then you can compare. The higher percentage carbon means there are more carbon inside. Okay, so you count for us. Later you tell teacher can. Okay, Lee, how about number 5? What is process X? Process X is the alcohol. When we heat it, it will form alkene gas. So the ethene gas come here. This is alkene. Lee say it's a C. Dehydration process, very good. Dehydration process, we remove the water. So no water, water here come up. Okay, good. So Lee, well done. Thank you, Lee. Now my question is, why I have 2 diagrams here? Which one is dehydration? Diagram 1 or diagram 2? Okay, hurry up. Everybody give answer. Which one is diagram for dehydration? Okay, so you can give me your opinion. Just type 1 or 2. Okay, Lee 2, Alvin 2. Why not 1? Okay, 2 or right 2. How about Samantha? 5. Lee and Alvin. Who else here? Okay. Which one diagram for dehydration? Yes, I want to know your opinion. Samenda say Paul. Miss Samenda, you're so greedy, huh? I ask you to choose one. You say Paul. Samenda, one, Paul. Okay, Muhammad Shafi say number one. So why you say number one, Natasha, Shafi? Is it number one, you're more familiar with this diagram? Is it this diagram come out in your textbook from 5, chapter carbon compound? Is it you saw this before, Shafi? Natasha? Alisa also choose one. Okay, yes. Actually, one, the first diagram is come out in our textbook, Form 5 textbook. But I want to let you all know also, diagram 2 also no wrong. Samanda, you are right. Okay, both also dehydration process, no problem. Only the mechanism is different. We are using porcelain sheet here, or you can use aluminium 203 oxide lah. Also can. But in this, they are using the liquid to heat it, Samanda. Huh? You are right. So using the sulfuric acid here. So here is the sulfuric acid, H2SO4. And one more thing, Samanda, don't happy first. Give me another catalyst can use in the dehydration. What else? Start with P, Samanda. Which acid? P acid. Samanda, I guess you, wow, you're excellent, Samanda. Today, why you perform so well? Okay, that's how you eat a lot lah. You're so clever already today. Okay, so phosphoric acid, you're right. Okay. Your chemistry improved a lot lah. Phosphoric. Is it this few days you just study chemistry, Samanda? How can you improve so much? How about the formula, Samanda? Chemical formula. See, anyone can give me the formula for phosphoric acid? Okay, how? P what? Okay, so both also can accept lah. Be careful lah, huh? So when you next time you saw, you don't say this one is not dehydration lah. Only the method a little bit different lah. They are using concentrated sulfuric acid, concentrated phosphoric acid. P what? O for what? Hurry up. Okay, which we got which acid kan? So we got H here. Hey, we got new friends here. Okay, how? Okay. Jiahui asked our new friend, site attendants. Our friends is new friend's name. How to call your name? Idoni, I call you. Idoni from Sarawak, right? Okay, Idoni. I call you ID. ID, hi. ID, is it? Hey, Amanda, nobody give me the formula already. Which phosphoric acid? Okay, you see the answer. Okay. Yes, site attendant. ID, I call you ID. ID is site attendant, ID. So, acid is H3PO4, okay? Remember, H3PO4 is phosphoric acid. So, Natasha, what's your answer now? Natasha, hurry up. Natasha, ID later you do, I will give you next question, okay. ID, you got notes, ID? ID site attendance, and you download the notes from here. Okay. ID, you got notes, site attendant ID, yes. ID got notes already, So, Natasha, what's your answer? And Faiz, your answer is number 7. Nurul for number 8. And our ID friend for number 10. ID, you will try number 10. ID, okay. And number 11, we will go back to Jiahui, our monitor today, Jiahui. And number 2, this one, we go back to Alvin. Faiz, you already done. Good job. Alvin, you try structure. Okay, another one, this one, question number 2. Maybe I want to test. Okay, Samanda, try. Okay, hurry up. So we go back to the question number Natasha, number 6. Okay, Natasha, how? Which one has two isomer? Natasha here. Natasha, you can open mic. We just help you. Natasha C. Very good, Natasha. So can you give me the name? The first name for the isomer butane is how many C? 4 C kan, 4 carbon kan. So the first name is the normal one, butane. Another one is the with side chain, right? So the second isomer, what is the name for second one? Yes, Natasha. So when you name it, you will name for this one for the methyl, right? So Natasha will name this one 1, 2, 3, right? So the branch will call 2 what? 2 what? Propane. 2 what propane. So Natasha, you try. Answer, you are right. Very good. C. Number 7, Nurul, how? Not Nurul, Faiz. Faiz, which one can form with zinc to form hydrogen gas? React with zinc to form gas. Which one? So Faiz will give answer number 7. Sorry, today quite fast because I'm quite rushed. I have to start our class sharp at 2:30. So if we got time, we can learn some bonus. Okay, bonus trick. Bonus tricks is I want to teach you all SPM common mistake. So Natasha done. Faiz, how? Faiz. Okay, Natasha says, okay, Faiz, how? What's your answer? Number 8, Nurul. Try Nurul. Number 8. Wrong is okay. Never mind. You just give me, teacher, your opinion. Samenda will try number 9. And the ID, very good. Number ID say donkey here. Okay. ID call already. Calculate already. Faiz, you get donkey here. Okay, you get donkey here because of what? Because of the acid law, right? Faiz, right? Acid react with metal will form hydrogen gas, right? Very good, Faiz. How about Nurul? Nurul here. Nurul, this question is asking you which pair is correctly to form the ester inside. Okay, from the diagram, we can know this one is the ester, right? Because we saw COO means ester. Every time you see the structure with COO in the middle, definitely that is ester. COO. Okay, so Nurul, your answer. Which one is alcohol? Which one is acid? Yesterday we discussed this one already. So the yellow one here, acid or color? Shafiq. And the blue color one, alcohol or acid here? Shafiq. Shafiq can help.
The yellow one is acid and the blue one is alcohol.
Yes. So what is the acid name? Got 2 carbon. Got 2 carbon.
Ethanoic acid.
Ethanoic acid. Well done, Shafiq. How about this 2 carbon alcohol?
Ethanol.
Ethanol. So we know our answer. Shafiq. Ethanoic acid is C, right? Answer is C. Very good. Yeah. Thank you, Alvin. Thank you, Shafiq. Well done. Okay. If got question, you stop, teacher. You can just ask directly. Samenda, very good. C. So this process is using the ethane plus tin. So that means they are add in the water inside. Add in the water inside to make what product? Ethane plus. Okay, ethane is C2H4 plus water. When you add water, it will form alcohol. Very good. Okay, C2H5OH. Well done, Samantha. Just remember this process we call what name? What is the name, Samantha? This process is adding the water inside. So very good, Samantha. You see, most important one is you can answer. You can also give concept to teacher. You can also explain how the process. That means, Samantha, you already master this part. Okay, Samantha, the water will form C2H5, yes, here, C2H5, O, OH, right? So the N will be the ethanol, right? Okay, ethanol. Okay, simple only, no problem. Okay, so number 10, ID already calculate 85.71, right? ID can show your calculation. So you are using how many carbon? Total 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 carbon means 4 times 12, right? ID. So total mass is how many? Total mass is 48 plus how many? You got how many hydrogen? And you times 100%. Then you get the 85.71. Well done. ID. Yeah. Same. How many? Same. 8. So plus 8. Can. Is it 85.71? Maybe you confirm with Mr. Lai. You check your answer. You can press your calculator, the other one. So we will check answer 85.71. Yes, you are right, Shafi. Okay, congratulations, Shafi. Not Shafi, our friend ID. Okay, Jiahui. Now is the question 11. Question 11 show that this is the ester. So Jiahui say 1 and 3. No arguing because they are fruity smelling or sweet smelling because of the ester. Okay, they are also dissolved in water. Okay. Okay. Dissolved in water, meh? Okay, dissolved in water. Yes, they are colorless. No, they are decolorless. Colorless liquid. Okay, we go to the para module. Jiahui, thank you. Alvin, ready? Alvin, this one is the Wu Kacha. Wu Kacha means this one, they are trying to remove what? The glass wool inside got the ethanol, right? We want to remove the what, Alvin? And so that the gas X, what is the gas X? So what is the function of the SPM porcelain? SPM porcelain is to remove what? Act as a what? So you have to give the raw. What is the raw? Apakah watak porcelain? SPM porcelain. Dia memainkan peranan apa?
Oxidizing agent, right?
Oxidizing agent dia ambil dia punya oxide. Oxidizing agent masuk reduce lah. Okay, can. Oxidizing agent.
Oxidizing agent means reduction.
Undergo reduction, right? Reduction means remove the oxygen, right?
They will lose oxygen. Yes.
Lose oxygen, not remove hydrogen.
Okay. No. Sorry.
Remove oxygen.
Sorry,
Okay, good. Or you can say it is the catalyst also. Okay, catalyst.
Okay. Just now Mr. Lai asked about the wool thing, right? Wool is to make it dry a bit.
Yes, make it dry. The wool actually, this glass wool we cannot use the common wool we cannot use the what kapus biasa. Mesti wool kaca. Okay, so that they can salt with the ethanol. Because the ethanol can salt inside, so that when you heat strongly here, okay, strongly in the porcelain, but you heat gently here. Okay, you don't want to heat so strong because you don't want to remove all the ethanol. You slowly heat here, but strongly with the porcelain. Okay, so Alvin, continue. Then the process of this. This is the process of
dehydration.
Very good, Alvin. And then continue the persamaan. So just now we have ethanol, remove water, ethanol. So how to write ethanol? Fish.
Wait, Mr. Lai, I look at my module first.
Okay. Ethanol. Fish. 2 OH, right?
Yes.
They will remove the water. They will form ethene, right? Ethene, how? Ethene structure is
C2H4 plus H2O.
C2H4 plus H2O. Do we need to balance it? Or already
I don't
balanced?
think so.
Already balanced. You got 2 here, you got 5, 6 already. 6 already, okay? Already balanced, right? No problem. So it's a complete equation. So you get water removed already. Dehydration means remove water. So what can you observe when the gas acts? So the ethene gas go into the bromine water. The gas acts here. We will go into the, here. We will go into the bromine water. Bromine water, what color to what color? Brown color to what color? So it will form brown color to decolorize. Very good, Alvin. Brown color to decolorize. Yes. Okay, D. Name the hydrocarbon Y. X can be prepared to hydrocarbon Y by the hydrogenation. So hydrocarbon Y is where? Hydrocarbon Y. We got Y. Y is no. Y. X boleh tukar with the Y melalui hydrogenation. So you add in hydrogen. So Alvin, you have to add in hydrogen. So Y name. Y will become what name for it?
Let me see first.
It's ethene, right? Y X is ethene.
Ethene.
Ethene
Yes.
tambah hydrogen. Ethene tambah hydrogen. No more double bond. Ethene sudah jadi.
Ethanol, right?
Tambah hydrogen only. No water.
Ethanoic acid.
Tambah ethene.
Ethene.
Ethene is C2H4.
Okay.
Ethene tambah hydrogen. So it will form other double bond. No more double bond. It will become alkane.
Ethane.
Yes,
ethane. Okay, yeah, ethane.
So thank you, Alvin. So how can we carry on? We have to use catalyze. So the hydrogenation, we need 2 conditions. Anyone still remember? Catalyze by using what? And the temperature, how many? You see, all this can ask all. So actually a lot of things to memorize all. Okay, anyone know? It can be too fast. Today the speed is quite fast. Sorry for those maybe you're not used with my speed now. Very good, Li. Thank you, Li. Well done. So 300? Are you sure 300 so high? Li, are you sure 300? I don't think 300. Too high already. Hydrogenation. Process. So hydrogenation process, yes. Yes, 180 with the presence of nickel. So yeah, you can check your textbook also, hydrogen process. So we give answer 180. Very good, thank you. Thank you, files. And the presence of nickel. Or you don't want nickel, you can use another thing to replace it, but much more expensive. Start with P. Very expensive one. Start with P, L. What else? Yes, ID well, yeah, good. Platinum, sorry. Platinum, Platinum very expensive, I think. Okay, it's a white gold. So how about Samantha for question number 2? Have you all carried on this experiment before? Just hitting the alkane and alkene, and you compare the smooth. Kalau banyak smooth means banyak carbon inside. The percentage is higher. So which one is banyak, Samantha? Alkane or alkene? Which one is salty? We use the word salty means banyak telaga. Okay. Alkene not very good, Samantha. So this one is zero fire, here got more heat, more telaga. More soot, we say sooty. More soot. Soot is more. So what happened to the filter paper, You will find that filter paper become quite dirty. darker. Yes, here a little, here more. So the simple experiment, you can see the fire also. This is the alkane, quite clean. This fire is quite clean, but for the alkane is quite more heat here, more sooty. You can say sooty. Okay, black smoke. Can, huh? Okay, so formula for the pitene and the pentane. Shamenda. So how many C? We have C5H10. Very good, Samantha. Okay. Another one, we have C5H12. Very good. Okay. And then this one, pentane produce what? Because of this, the sootiness on the flame on the filter paper predict. Ask you to predict. They never show you the color, but you have to predict. More sooty, very good, Samantha. More sooty means more dirty lah. So pentane, pentane is more. Why lah? You have to prove it. Kenapa you cakap alkene banyak celaga? Okay, so because of the pentane percentage is higher, so Samantha will get higher percentage here compared with pentane. So Samantha, you explain the percentage of what? Carbon by what in the pentane is what than pentane. Therefore, pentane burns with what soot than pentane. So you have to use the keyword percentage of carbon by what? So the carbon inside is C5. Okay, C5 over what? So Samantha, you will use a 5 carbon divide total mass, right? So the total here, you have to use a keyword. Percentage of carbon by what? So this is 60 plus 10, right? Actually, this one no need. This one wrongly, I think. You just count the percentage only. Samantha, you just count it, and you can get answer. And this one is the 60 plus 12. Then you press calculator. Which one higher, which one more sooty? Okay. So the percentage of carbon by what? This one I should write what answer? By what? Xiaohui, Natasha, Shafiq, Leo, ID. Or you can help. Alisa. Yeah, Alisa, today I haven't called you. Alisa. By mass, very good, Samantha. By mass here. So you must mention the percentage of carbon by mass is what? Pentane is. The percentage is what? Is more, right? Is higher. Okay, you can say higher percentage of the carbon in the pentane is higher than the ID. Why? Anything happen? ID. Therefore, the pentane burn with what? So more so, very good, Jiahui. Yes, you're all very good. You all work together. So you give answer together. Anyone count, then you can give my answer. Okay. So state the two of the reagent can use to distinguish between pentane and pentane. So we don't want, we want to differentiate. We want to test it. Very good, Samantha. If you use bromine water, Faiz, what is the color change? That's how we say. Brown to what? Another one can give me. Actually, I want another one. 3, 4. Actually, you can give until 4. Yes. Very good, Samantha. Very good ID. Well done. Okay, this one I prefer acidified potassium manganate 7 solution. So the brown color to colors, very good, Alvin. So number 3rd one, I can use potassium again. Acidified potassium what? Very good. Dichromate, well done. So become 6. Very good. Potassium dichromate is what color to what color? And the last one, Lee, chlorine water is what color to what color? All this you must memorize. Orange to green, well done. Okay, so remember, you see, all you very smart already. I think you all prepare well. Tomorrow SPM also no problem. Can. You all really so good. Tomorrow can sit for SPM Chemistry. GG man, why so GG? Okay, chlorine water will change what color? You see, what is the color we call this chlorine? What is the color name? Chlorine is what color? This color we consider, yes, it's yellow means less concentrated. It's more concentrated one is yellowish green. No? So we can use the word yellow greenish. The best lah, color lah. If the common one, we always use yellow greenish. Can yes, yellow greenish. Yellow greenish, when it turn colorless, it will turn colorless. Can Alvin? Yellow greenish. You remember lah. Okay, a little bit greenish, you see? Green color. Okay, and the last one you can do together. Last one, so name it for the pentene. We can have 4 isomer. So you only draw 2 lah. Okay, but here I show you the all isomer here. So the first one, what is the name for first one? We have double bond in the middle. So carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3, carbon 4, carbon 5. Alisa? Okay. Anyone know? Also can help. Very good, Alisa. Pen 2N. Pen 2N. Very good, Alisa. How about Shafiq? This one got branch, right, Shafiq? I saw the branch here. You see branch, So the mother chain you label out. Next time, every time you do it, you try to draw out which one is your main chain, mother chain. After you find a mama, then you find your daughter, your children. Your children is small branch here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So Shafiq, we call this as the branch change. Means in front we need to put methyl, right? So
yeah,
what methyl? Which number methyl? Located
2 methyl.
2 methyl and 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 carbon means
2 methyl butan butyl.
Build how many in? Build 1 in, Build 1 in. You don't need to put 1 also, no carbon. You put 1 also can, not put 1 also can. 1 is no need to mention also, no problem. Okay. If 2, I need to mention. 2 methyl be 1 in. Okay, good. How about this one? The number 3 one? Nuru, Nuru got Nuru. I cannot find Nuru. Nuru is Natasha, is it? There's not got Nuru, but no more Nuru. Check attendant. Check attendant. Got Nuru this person. You Natasha? Natasha is Nuru, is it? No, Natasha is Amber. So Nuru already quit, right? So this one, who can try? ID? Or Faiz? Shafiq done already, good. Okay, Lee. Okay, you give answer only if you can. No problem, you just try. Okay. How? I have to post in the group here. This is our workshop group, you see. Intensive workshop group. So today, this is the slot evening. And so welcome you all join our class. Our class now is the, how many days already? Days number 4. Tomorrow is the last day for this week. So next week we'll continue to the Form 4. We will focus on Form 4 revision first. So we can invite Form 4 friends also in. Okay. How? Natasha here. Okay, no Natasha. Okay, 2 methyl, very good. 2 methyl. Oh, Natasha is not Nuru. Okay, 2 methyl here. Is it correct? 2 methyl. And then view 1 N, right? Agree, Alvin? View 1 N. Agree? Samantha agree? View 1 N or view 2 in? Yes. Cannot be 1 in. You have to be careful. ID, because it's chat. your carbon here, your branch is here, right? When you branch here, this is your mother chain. Okay, so we choose the paling dekat one, paling smallest number, the smallest number. So start with 1, 2, 2 must be here 2. So this one cannot be. Okay, this one you cannot put 1. Let's put 2 lah. Is it 2 here, right? ID cannot. ID can. 2 meter because here is 2 lah. Yes, be careful. ID. You can double check every time you do it. Double check. The last one, see, try. Alvin, try. Samenda, can again. Okay, Samenda, try again. Okay, so the last one, how? Who can give teacher answer? The last one. Okay, is 3 meter. Natasha, well done. Natasha, see? Natasha give us answer. 3 meter, bill 1 in. You check. So every time you have a good habit, you draw out first. The long chain one, I draw. And then I draw out the number. This is the side chain. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have 3 with the branch. Very good. Very good, Natasha. See? Settle all. Very good, you all. We can settle all questions in 15 minutes only. So efficient. Well done, you all. I'm so happy with your performance today. Very good, very good. Give yourself a like. Okay. See? Okay. So now you want bonus treat? Alisa, you want bonus treat? Lee, you want? Or Samenda, you want more bonus today? We continue yesterday one. Bonus treat. 1. If you want, you give response to Mr. Lai. I will give bonus treat. I think we stop at which one already? We stop at this one. Until which one, Chloe? Oh, Chloe, why? So sad. Maybe Chloe join tonight class. Until question number 5, is it? Question number 5, right? Number 5, right? Okay, here. Okay, we continue. This is a bonus treat. Okay, we go here. Alvin, I think you miss Chloe so much. Don't worry, I will inform Chloe. Say that Alvin's miss you so much. Okay, Samantha so excited. Okay, so continue. Common mistake for number 5. You see, I just now I told you already. Very, very be careful. Because you cannot write wrongly with the N. No, you see, alkene can start with what? N must start with what? So you can this terror mistake gone, all gone, no mark. So this carboxylic acid general formula, N can start with 1, man? Cannot. So what number I should write here? Anyone can help? N start with what? Yes, Alvin, you are good. 2, 3. Yes, must be careful. So how about carboxylic acid? Carboxylic acid must start with 0. Alisa, very good, Alisa. Alisa today is good, perform very good. So 0, 1, 2. So be careful lah. Okay. And now more you have new character, new family for alkyne. I think alkyne for the previous one they don't have. We learn only double bond, but I don't know why they want you to learn triple bond now. So be careful with triple bond. So N must start with what? ID say why cannot start with 1? Because ID you see here got 1 carbon already. Here got 1 carbon already. That means I can accept 0. When 0, it will form methanoic acid. Can ID? So it start with 1 only. I cannot form methanoic acid already. You know what I mean? I mean for alkane. Or alkane here. Alkane. Not alkane. Alkene. Here is alkene. ID. This one is alkene. Alkene cannot start with 1 because alkene cannot alone. The minimum number is carbon must have 2. ID must have 2 carbon. We don't have methane. No methane. ID cannot. No methane. You remember? No methane. And this one, triple bond. So we have N start with what? Here. Samantha? Start with what? And the ester, remember, ester got 2 or 1 can start with 0, 1 can start with 1. Oh, you see, so complicated. I don't like ester. You like ester? Samantha, you like ester? Alisa, you like to drink tea life? What? A lot of bubble tea, bubble drinks, right? You like to drink? Lisa like to drink? Yes, I know. You see, you drink more lah. Then that means you like ester because all is artificial flavoring. All is the ester inside in artificial chemical thing. But actually, I like to drink also. Same, Alisa, we are friends. Okay, so this one we start with 2, right? Start with 2, right? 2, 3, Okay, so no problem for this one. You see, be careful lah. Just don't miss out with the general formula. And sometimes students will write answer until the front part only, and then they forgot. And also need to write out because without M, the general formula is incomplete. Cannot. Okay, go to the next one. So far, so good. We have how many minutes, Alisa? Okay, so this label diagram, what is the wrong? What is the mistake inside? Can you spot 3 mistakes here? Just let teacher know. We start with Alvin. Any mistake here?
Not cotton wool, Mr. Lai. It's
Very
glass
good.
wool.
So the first mistake Alvin tell us is a not cotton wool. That's how I already emphasize already. We must use glass wool. It's not the common kapas. It's the kapas made by the kacha. 纤维玻璃纤维. So the glass wool. So the first mistake is the glass wool. What else? Try. Hurry up. Li Yi, Jia Hui, Samantha, Muhammad Shafi, ID, Li Yi. We have so many top students here. So happy. Okay, you all can join. So give me more answer. I like more answer. Okay, who can give answer number 2? What is the error for number 2? Alisa, Samantha. We've got so many nice names. Natasha, you see. Very bombastic, your name. ID also, wow, your name so nice. ID, you are from Sabah, is it? Is it you are Kadazan Dusun? Your name is so special, ID. SMK rank is from where? Sarawak. So you are Ibana. Is it? Because I saw your name so special. You are Ibana. I also think it's a heat problem. Okay, heat problem. So Alvin, you think it's a heat problem. Lee is a heat problem. 2 less porcelain. Ayo, Alisa. Takkan I want to draw so many, man. Okay, like draw more for you. But it's okay already. So we cannot blame this student. This student draw okay already. At least got porcelain. You want more also can. Put more. Can, Alisa? So now it's a heat problem already. Heat is problem, yes. Because this one, I don't know why the student cut off. Actually, this one need. We need both error. Okay. So need to draw heat. Need to draw both. Because you hit both sides. Only the difference is you are hitting what in the glass wool. You are hitting what in the porcelain sheet. This one you can mention. Okay. But no point. No marks for the diagram. This one just for the explanation to you only. Okay, yes. So you can mention that you have to hit gently. You have to hit what in this porcelain sheet. You have to hit here strongly. You see what is different. This one, when you write in the procedure, then important, but not in the diagram. Diagram you don't need to mention. Diagram you draw arrow in. Substance P is not named. Very good. Where got P? Oh, P right? P really no name, Shafiq. P is really no name because you don't know what is P. They purposely one. P is okay. Shafi, no problem. P is correct because we really don't know what is inside P. After we do, then we collect the gas, and then we know, oh, it's the alkene gas. Okay, yes. So one more thing, one more thing. Anything? We got mistake here. One more thing you don't know. Nobody know. So ties out. Natasha is it the butane? Butane here already, right? Why do I feel like the hole where the hydrogen feel weird? Where got the hole? Which part hole?
Beside the one you have to put the tube onto the hole so that we can see the water turns color. That one.
This one. So where to how to draw the tube? This
draw
one
correctly, right?
Yeah.
Wrong. I don't know why wrong.
Why wrong? Any wrong with the tube? One more error. One more. Ties out. Nobody know. Draw like a curve like that. The position of the boiling tube. Why, Natasha? Position of the boiling tube. Correct? You tak suka dia position macam ni? You want sengit sikit? This one position Natasha. It's not deep Oh, this here Here you want to dip more Natasha, is it? The tube you want to masuk dalam Or use one more redox stand Okay, you tak suka lah. ID tak suka. ID one more redox stand can. No problem. Redox stand here lor. Draw one more for you lor. But this one doesn't affect no deduct mark. Okay lah. The gas is not butane. Gas is butane, right? This is butanol. Yes, the P is butanol, correct. Butanol after dehydration, yes. No problem. Yes, surrender. Congratulations, time's out.
No, wait, is it not because that we cannot use water, we need to use like bromine water, chlorine water?
So we want to use water, we want to collect gas. Sure, we want to use water. Water is must have. Must.
Or is it because the one inside the tube is not labeled for the water?
Yeah, label already.
No, I mean inside the tube.
This one tube no need. Outside you label, inside same Didn't draw table. Why you need table? Samantha, you want to makan You want to buat jamuan makan Samantha? Ayo. Okay, nobody know. Close. Nobody know. No winner today. No winner today. That means somebody have to open camera already. If not, no answer for you all today. Hurry up. Alisa, Li Yi, Alvin already on. Yes. Shafiq. Hi, Shafiq. Okay, how are you, ID? Can you let Mr. Lai know who are you? Say hello to your friend. Hello. Okay. We have new friend today, right? We have Natasha. Natasha, hi. Faiz, how are you? Faiz. Okay, where are Faiz? Nobody open camera, no answer. Cannot announce answer today lah. Has to drag until tomorrow. Alvin so sad. Okay, Samantha, Jiahui, Faiz, Natasha. Okay, are you happy with today's class? Maybe you can share. Open mic, just open mic, and tell teacher how. Give some feedback. Sorry because today speak have to fast because no time. Some previous class I give them extra 15 minutes or 20 minutes. No problem. But today cannot have to leave already. Samantha, you don't want to say hello to Mr. Lai? You feel good You feel good. You open camera. Let Mr. Lai knew who are you. If you really enjoy study, you can join because we have 5 more days. 6 more days tomorrow and next week. You just WhatsApp Mr. Lai, okay, and tell me if you want to join. Next week I will prepare for the Form 4. Still preparing the notes for you all. Hi, so Natasha, anything you want to say? Natasha cannot. Yes. So you hurry up, fire to don't hurry up. I give you 1 minute, go fire out. Yeah. You can see Mr. Lai so happy to meet you all, but you all don't want to show your face. No good. So sad lah. So sad today. Okay. Wanna go get vaccine. Don't want to bother you all. If you join my class, you will know lah. From the workshop, from today's workshop, from the future coming workshop also, I will more focus on the technique, how you write answer, and I will trying to explain to you all lah, how to analyze the answer. Okay. Tomorrow we will focus on this. Tomorrow we will focus on the thermochemistry. Because I know all you are very smart students. You see, just now I ask question, all can answer one, no problem. The problem is sometimes you will miss out some important keyword. So Mr. Lai will drill you all how to use the best way to present your answer. You don't waste your time for writing so many things inside essay, but 20 minutes, maybe you get half only, not worth, right? Good chapter, yes. Yeah, ID, why? ID, you want to open camera? Hurry up, welcome you. When you open camera more, then we can continue one more bonus. You see, we got one more bonus here. Natasha, you want? Okay, I am 5 already quick. Jia Hui, you want continue more? My hair not ready. ID is a guy's, right? Guys, no need to crop hair also, no problem one. Yeah, no need lah. Guys, no need one. Okay, girls maybe lah, they need to type out. Oh. Okay. So sad today. Okay, we have Faiz. Faiz, hi. Faiz on already. Hello, Faiz. ID, hi. Yeah. Say hello to your friends. Hurry up. 5 more minutes.
Hi, sir.
Hi, Paisan. I'm curious why you use this nickname. Paisan means what? Paisan. Very good, very good. You see, very good. Your we have Shafiq on air now. Shafiq, hi. Shafiq. Yeah, today is a very memorable day. It has so many new students, new face. ID, ID is the is Iban Sarawak. Okay. Hi, open mic. Okay, Paishan from where? Sarawak also, Miri. Miri, good. Cannot hear. You did not open mic. Cannot hear. Cannot hear. So ID, confident ma? You got 76 days more. Confident to get A in the chemistry. Open mic. Tell Mr. Lai your feeling.
I think if confident, it based on the topic lah. Because some topic I didn't that master it, but the basic of every topic that I managed to catch up lah.
So the highest score you get chemistry? Highest score?
Last time I get 75. Yeah, the highest.
75. 75 good
Yeah.
N minus already. Last time is means this year lah. This year. Not last year. From 5 From 5 you can get 75 good or. I think you are same grade with our Samantha, Alisa. Okay, Alisa also grade A1, right? Alisa, is it correct? Samantha. Alvin is in the A level already, Alvin, right? The Alvin one get highest. Maybe he want to try to score A+. But ID now, your level is already achieved A. So you have to keep on maintain. So you have to do a lot now. Past year must do, module must do. Natasha, Natasha, your friend. You knew each other, is it?
Yes, and Faiz also. We're from the same school.
So ID and Natasha and Faiz is the same group, same school. Okay, good. So you see, you can form study group actually. Now you are here together. You can find friends. Alvin also you can join. You can ask Alvin. You see, all good students, all top students join together, share knowledge, then you will become more excellent. Don't selfish. You know what I mean? In 76 days only, one common interest, your target, SPM. If you really follow me, it will do together. I will try my best in this 76 days until the last day for your chemistry also can. the day before chemistry also you can call Mr. Lai. We will do the like this. I will drill you. Whatever important thing I know, I will teach you all. Because I'm only expert in this part. If you ask me to teach you MS, physics cannot. I surrender. You all may be master than me. But what I can do is I will try my best. I will give you what you want in chemistry. You see, I save your time already. You no need to run so many wrong, so many, how to say that? You have a shortcut. Then you can save your time. You just focus whatever important thing. So I hope can meet you all again. For tomorrow class, we will do the thermochemistry. Okay. Now I'm trying to collect more table questions for you all. For Alvin. Alvin, one more challenge. Can Alisa, can you say hello to your friend Alisa? Today I haven't listened your sound. Alisa, hi. Say hi to your new friend.
Yes, teacher.
Lovely lah. Why you no mood today? No semangat.
No.
Very tired.
A little bit lah.
You see, all these friends are inside this group, inside Telegram group. I think you join Telegram group already. Got the
I didn't.
490%. Later you message me. I invite you.
Okay.
Okay, you got my phone, right? Okay, you can type my phone.
Yes.
Okay. You see, all these students inside Telegram one, all very top one. All malam tak tidur. Like Alisa, Samantha. All study at night. Very terrible one. Now you know 76 days. What you can use well for this 76 days. For some person, 70 days, 76 days become less and less. But for all of you, like you all very hardworking one, 76 days is a bonus for you all. Every day you gain more knowledge. Every day you up one more level. And when the day comes, 0 day, wow, all of you are Samantha, Alisa, Alvin, all of you become super strong already. Become super top level already. Okay, no more SPM track can track you. Believe me or not. So you have to well use your 76 days. Don't play. Study, eat, sleep, repeat cannot. Fires cannot. Coffee can. Okay, you need some coffee. You need some music, Alisa. Okay, maybe you can listen to a good song to motivate you all. Okay, next time maybe we can ask Samantha, Alisa, Alvin, share any nice song to us. Can use to study one. Okay, nice music or song. Okay, introduce to us. Good for doing revision one. Don't recommend the song like the heavy metal song one. Your rock one cannot study. Okay, must good. Okay, Shafi, thank you. Bye bye. I also want to leave.
Right, thank you, sir.
Bye. Okay,
Bye,
Samantha,
everyone.
bye. Natasha, bye bye. Natasha can say hello to us. Okay. Samantha, you haven't said hello to our friend. Natasha also. Natasha haven't listened your voice. No hello must in the not 1D, have in 3D way. 3D means I can hear, I can listen, I can saw.
Hello, sir.
So how's today's are you satisfied with today? Since morning until now, how many things you already done? Are you achieve your target?
Practice a bit only lah.
Practice a little bit. Your a little bit means a lot for somebody already, I think.
No lah.
Just now you study for what subject already?
Last time?
Just now from morning lah. From
Bio.
morning you wake up. Biology lah. You do the essay or the paper 2.
Objective only.
Yeah. So you done one set already.
Yeah.
Okay, very good man. Done one set. Okay. Later I send you chemistry. You done one more set for chemistry. 4D question.
Okay.
Okay. I send to all to you all. Okay, try lah. As much as you can do, you do. Okay. This is the only thing you can do. No regret for SPM. Remember? Okay. See you. Bye bye. Okay. Thank you for joining class. Really thank you, you all. Bye.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Bye. Anything you can
Sir.
just ask in WhatsApp group. See you. Bye bye.